Hey, Bob Carr here with TLC. Come along with us today. We're leaving our office and we're headed down to Waldorf, Maryland to work on a yard drainage install. This customer is a lawn sprinkler client for many a year, but he called us over the winter months and said, hey, I got a yard drainage problem I just noticed from things settling. Can you guys come down and take a look and see what I might need? So we're down here today getting ready to get this laid out and how we're taking this water and channeling it underground and getting it taken care of. So as you see here, we're doing everything underground into a pit and a tank and a pump. We can get all this done, get this water away, get it discharging. Once we get all this done and completed, we're going to put the yard back together. And before we leave, we're going to make sure everything is seeded and strawed, everything is ready and cleaned up. We never want to leave a yard messy. Once we finish what we're doing, we want to leave everything cleaned up and ready to go for a client. We don't need the client to come out and have to clean up behind us. That's not the goal. The goal is to leave the yard better than what we went. We want to leave the, we always leave the yard better than when we found it. That's what I was trying to say there. So come along with us. We're going to show you how we get this done, wrapped up, and all completed in one day. We'll talk at you soon.